Hi, this video is going to be on jealousy in Othello. Now, Othello's fatal flaw is his jealousy, and this is what Iago is able to exploit to deceive him. And Iago recognises jealousy as a negative thing when he describes it as the green-eyed monster. And although at the beginning of the play Othello is less believing of Iago's lies, as the play progresses, Iago is able to poison his mind with his lies, and Act 3 is a turning point because Othello believes that Desdemona has been unfaithful to him, and he sees the handkerchief, which is a symbol of their love, being evidence of this. And we have Emilia also warning Desdemona about Othello being jealous, but of course Desdemona doesn't believe her, and this is an example of her naivety. And we have other characters that are jealous in the play. So we have Roderigo agreeing to help Iago in his plan because he's jealous of Othello and Desdemona's relationship. And we also have Iago himself being jealous of Othello and Cassio, and this in part explains why he chooses to use Cassio in his plan by making Desdemona and Cassio appear to be romantically involved to Othello. So hopefully you can see how the theme of jealousy plays itself out in the play. Thanks for listening.